welcome back to IPE Racing Exhaust YouTube channel. Today we are at Berlin Autocraft, and what we have here today is this beautiful machine, 911 GT3 RS in lizard green. We are going to install this IPE full exhaust system. This is how the GT3 RS sounds with the stock exhaust system. This 911 GT3 RS we have here is a 2019 model, so it has a 4-liter naturally aspirated flat-six engine, produces 520 horsepower and 470 Newton meters of torque. Now the mechanics are removing the original exhaust out of the RS. This is how the original system looks like compared to this IPE full exhaust system. These are the stock headers with catalytic converters. Then we have two very big side mufflers, so it's big and heavy. Then we have a titanium center muffler. So basically, IPE's exhaust deletes the side mufflers, but it retains the center muffler with the valves function, so it will sound a lot louder compared to the original exhaust. It has a cell 200 cathode headers. Then we have titanium muffler, and also this beautiful titanium gold tips. And now we'll go for a test ride in the GT3 RS with IPE full exhaust. This GT3 RS has the iconic launch color, the lizard green. We have carbon hood, and also because of weight reduction, they have changed the logo emblem to this sticker. Then we have this front fender air vents, standard on the RS. And of course, we have single lock wheels paired with PCCB. The wheels are finished in satin black with this lizard green lining to match with the body color. Then we have carbon side mirrors, carbon roof, and also carbon rear wing. This car has the optional Y-Sec package. Then it has titanium roll cage. We can see that it has these full bucket seats in carbon fiber with lizard green finishing. Then the seat belts are in lizard green as well. Then we have these stitchings all in lizard green. Alcantara door panels with lizard green stitching, and also the door handles.
And we have completed the installation of IPE full exhaust system on this beautiful lizard green 911 GT3 RS. So let us know in the comment sections below what you think about the IPE exhaust for the GT3 RS, how it sounds. Remember to like and share our video, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exciting content.